Aubrey Miles Santos Sandel Miller, born March 16, 1980, is a Filipino television host, singer, model, and actress. Aubrey Sandel was born on March 16, 1980, in Caloocan to Victorino Sandel and Maria Perla Santos. She was the third child of the couple's 4 children. She was named after the song Aubrey by Bread. Her parents separated when she was 15 years old, and she stayed with her mother. At 19 years old, Miles starred on GMA sitcoms Beboat NGA and German Marino's Best Friends. Between show business assignments, Miles joined beauty pageants, which provided her with a steady income. She finished her secondary education at La Consolation College, Caloocan. She then majored in voice and minored in piano at the University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music. She dropped out during her second year when film producer Dondon Monteverdi signed her up to a 3-year, 8-film contract with Regal Films. Personal life, Miles has a son named John Maury Sandel Obligation with her former boyfriend JP Obligation. She was 20 years old when Maury was born on March 18, 2001. Before a 2009 interview with Boy Abunda, she had hid her son from the public and consistently denied rumors to protect her career and sexy image. She has been in a relationship with actor Troy Montero since 2003. They have 2 children together, son Hunter Cody Sandel Miller, born on October 3, 2008, and daughter Rocket Miller, born on December 14, 2018. The couple married on June 9, 2022, in a ceremony presided by Mandalayong Mayor Carmelita Arbaluz. She operates a pawn shop business, a Miles Pawn Shop. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.